Hi you guys, it's Janny. Welcome back to my channel. I know I sound sick. I am getting sick though. But today, as promised, I have another video. And today this is the look, a skeleton, scary skeleton, whatever you guys want to call it. And yeah, let's begin. After I've done my eyebrows, I'm going to start off with my eyes, the glam eyes. And I'm going to start off with some black on the crease. Like I said, I'm going to put that black on my crease. And I'm also going to put some dark gray. I'm going to blend that on the corner of my crease, just blending that in. Top of that, what I did was put on some concealer, and I kind of tried to like do a cut crease, but I don't know what happened. But you know, I did my best, you guys, but that's what I did. I put on some concealer to do the cut crease. I'm gonna take some of this nude shade, and I'm just gonna pat it on top of that. Get some of this gold, this dark gold, and I'm gonna put that on top of that crease. Just blend it on. Then I'm gonna get some of this black shadow. It's really sparkly, so I'm gonna go on top of that crease in the corner. Just pat it on top. Then I'm gonna go back and then get some of this dark brown, and then I'm gonna put it on top of the crease, on top of the black. Just blend it in. Same gray I put on the corner, and I'm just gonna put it underneath my. I'm gonna get some of this brown, and I'm gonna put this at the corner. Front corner of my eye, and just blend that in. So I'm back. I did the other part of my eye, and I also put on some eyeliner. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of the black eyeshadow that I used already, and I'm just going to blend that in on the, instead of a bronze, I'm just going to blend that in on the cheekbones. And after that, I'm going to use black eyeliner for the skull part, and I'm going to start off with my lips. And after that, I'm going to fill in my lips with some of this black lipstick. For that, for the highlight, I'm going to use this dark gold that I use on my eye. I'm just going to highlight my nose first. Highlight my chin. And then I'm going to use some of this lighter gold. I'm just going to highlight the ends of my cheeks. Put it on my eyebrows. And for my lips, what I like to do to keep them matte instead of glossy, because I feel like once I rub my lips, they move. The lipstick moves, and it just makes me feel uncomfortable. I'm going to use some of this black eyeshadow, and I'm going to pat it I'm just gonna pat it on my lips to give it like a matte look. And for a highlight, I'm gonna use this gray one. I'm just gonna highlight my cupid bow. Okay, you guys, and I just put on some lashes, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!